Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex from MarketWise Asia. Today it is the Chuxi. Okay, just want to wish you a very happy Chinese New Year. May you stay in good health and prosper in all things. 新年快乐. Okay, 身体健康，万事如意，心想事成. Okay, so in this video, just want to share with you what has happened in the market before we go for a break for the weekend for the Chinese New Year over here. Okay, so let's head over to the S&P 500 first. Okay, so as I mentioned during Monday public live stream, right? So I said that the market, okay, the 5,000 cash index level could be a magnet for the price to reach there. So you can see from the chart right now, this is the S&P 500 cash index. So yesterday, okay, we hit the 5,000 mark, okay, at a high, 5,000.40, okay, so we hit there. Of course, price didn't close above 5,000, so we hit the 5,000 level. Okay, so in hindsight, okay, I should have taken more longs, okay, I mean, I should buy more like in different stocks, but that is fine. Okay, later I'll share with you what I am holding in some of my position. The amazing thing is, okay, I have a few longs and a few shorts, okay, they are all still profitable. Okay, yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, all right. So yeah, so moving forward, right? Okay, to be really honest, okay, I am still slightly bearish. So the market breadth is deteriorating, but the issue is, okay, as I mentioned, right, it is very hard to pick a top. It is very hard to pick a top. Okay, so I don't know when the market will start to correct. Okay, but since the, I think, mid of Jan, okay, I admit that, I am wrong. The market is way more bullish than I anticipated. Okay, I hope, I'm just being candid. Okay, I don't always get it right, but okay, if we choose the right stocks and the right selection, okay, even some of the shorting stocks that we are still able to make money. Okay, so this is moving forward. As I mentioned, I'm still a bit cautious now. So yeah, we shall see how it goes next week. Okay, let's have a restful holiday break first. So this is the, just want to share with you the some of the stocks that I mentioned. All right, so for this week, right? So in fact, for the long setup, right? Long setup, okay. All these are pretty okay, right? L3, Seagate, Cinemac, Infinera Corporation, Exxon. Okay, so LHX, okay, LHX didn't really move a lot higher, but okay, it is at least still above the watch line, and you should be in some profit if you actually entered. And then what else is this? Seagate STX is over here. It is also slightly positive. If you are inside, you should still be in some profit. Okay, and then we have Cinemac. Okay, Cinemac, I think, is it William? He mentioned that this is more tricky because depending on the ATR level, you might get stop out initially here. Okay, but after that, price just went all the way. I don't have this in my position. Okay, but overall, okay, you might stop out. Okay, then if you want, you could re-enter again previously. But of course, right now it's not the best time to re-enter. It has went up already. Okay, and then Infinero, INFN. Okay, this is doing very well. Okay, previously it was here. Okay, and then price should higher. Of course, yesterday was a down bar, but overall, you should still be in profit. Okay, and I think the best one is actually Exxon. This one is from the aerospace and defense. Okay, AXON. This one went up a lot higher. Exxon Enterprise. Okay, so wow, all the way. How many of you actually enter into Exxon? Just keep comment in the comment section below. So as I mentioned, I personally, okay, my bias for the week is actually, still a bit a downside bias. So I didn't enter into the long position for all these few stocks. But it doesn't mean that you cannot enter. I mean that if you have your own trading strategy, you think that the market is continuing to go higher, okay, feel free to enter based on the data, that I provided, okay, in the spreadsheet and all this. You don't have to exactly follow me one, okay. Have your own, sometimes have your own judgment also. Okay, so these are some of the stocks. Okay, I also mentioned that after that I mentioned two shorting stocks over there. So this is the bearish stocks in focus, BGS and TRI. So yeah, after that I mentioned in the video, I said that, you know, the earnings is on the 8th. Can ignore it. Okay, so for Thomson Reuters, I actually exited on the 7th, the day before the earnings. So for Thomson Reuters, it is actually TRI over here. Was so yesterday went higher. So that's why reason I say that, you know, if there's earnings, right, don't hold through earnings. You don't know what the market is going to do, especially the sentiment right now. It is still pretty bullish. So I shorted around here. Okay, so price came down a little bit more here. So I exited with a 0.5R profit. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to hold through earnings. The other one that I shorted is actually BGS. So I practice what I preach also. So yeah, I also shorted this somewhere around on this bar over here. So it came down, I was still in profitable position over here. So these are the two. So just want to share with you guys. So this is the portfolio that I'm holding right now. Of course, BGS is short, okay. TLT is also short. This one is previously is TRI. I've already exited. So the interesting thing is you can see that, you know, of course, obviously I know Mosaic, okay, my position left, my position and also the profits lah. But you can see from the color, it is green, right? It is all green. So BGRI, which I mentioned earlier, okay, it is green. I'm still holding on to it. I'm holding on for a while now. IPGP, it is also green. So all in all, I have a few shorts, I have a few longs, okay. They are all in profitable position, okay. All right. So I'm still holding on to them. TRI, I've exited. And so far, as I mentioned, right, so far for this year, these are all the positions that I have shorted, even though the market continue to go higher. And all these stocks are actually listed in the data sheet. And I also share with you guys during the weekly video as well. Okay, not all are profitable position. Of course, you know, I key it into a platform, the market in now. So it actually gives you the profit percentage, okay, from the entry price to the exit price. Okay, it is not very intuitive, like what I always say to you, how much R that I get, like, you know, is it 1R or 1.5R? But overall, you can see that, okay, it is still profitable, okay, and overall, what is it? Okay, overall, okay, so far for this year, for the shorting position, right, total trades I've taken 11, okay, percentage of winning trades are 64%, okay, so out of the 10 trades, okay, 6 to 7 position are winning trades, okay, so average trade duration is about 10 days, okay. This is just how much stats I'm show. So all in all, I just want to share with you that, you know, my bias is wrong at this mid-January, so I should have taken more longs, but still pretty happy that, you know, I'm still profitable, okay. And yeah, so, you know, I don't know how's your result so far, but I mean that share with me, okay, some of your winning and some of your losing as well, okay. So we all learn together, okay. So as I mentioned, this year it is not a easy year to trade. Of course, if you just hold on to all the Magnificent Seven, you just buy the index, of course you'll be winning lah. But I mean that I'm just being frank with you, okay. So far this year January is not the best of the profitable position. I mean that I can do better lah, but I'm still happy that I did not lose money and still in profitable position. Okay, I mean that I'm still in, my portfolio is still green lah. Okay, so with that, I think just want to have a quick share with you guys over here. So let me know, okay, how's your result so far, you know, and all this, whether you went some of the long position or some of the short position. Okay, so with that, I think that's all for now. Let me see whether Monday I have the time to do the weekly video. Okay, I will do a weekly video again, but just see whether it is a Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so Happy New Year once again, and see you again real soon. Thank you. Bye bye.